Turf managers know when soil isn't providing enough phosphorus, seeds can have a difficult time establishing, and turf can lose vibrancy and struggle to recover from stress and disease. Conventional forms of phosphorus release quickly, often tying up in the soil, becoming unavailable to turf, and requiring multiple applications to meet demand. Crystal Green is the first slow-release phosphorus plus nitrogen and magnesium to have proven success in turf, and has been the subject of research by Jim Owen, nursery crop researcher and extension specialist at Virginia Tech.
My focus is on water and nutrient management, so I work with fertilizers specifically in trying to maximize their efficiency. The monoammonium and diammonium phosphate, if it's non-coated, so it will be really water soluble, present and then gone basically, or it could be leached from a sand green, etc. Whereas Crystal Green will release it slowly over time and make it available throughout the course of the summer. And that it releases over time means that it'll be more available when it is needed by the plant. It has a better chance of being available for that. And unlike controlled release fertilizers that can be used for specialty crops today to release over time, it's not solely temperature dependent.
So what is Crystal Green? Crystal Green is a magnesium ammonium phosphate, or a 5-28-0 analysis, plus 10% magnesium in a single granule. Produced using a sustainable process called nutrient recovery, Crystal Green is made by removing phosphorus and nitrogen from industrial and municipal wastewater streams and converting them into a highly efficient, naturally slow-release fertilizer. Within the nutrient recovery vessel, magnesium is added to the nutrient-rich water, and a chemical reaction occurs, causing the phosphorus, nitrogen, and magnesium to bond together, slowly growing like a pearl to form small granules.
The Crystal Green product is a prilled product with a uniform size. We can have something with an SGN size that we can easily blend back and incorporate in fertilizers and spread easily, and that it will be mixed and blended with other fertilizers. So if this is our phosphorus source, we could blend it back with other fertilizer types, and that is super essential for us.
Once the granules are formed, they are harvested, heated and dried, and then bagged in 1-ton sacks ready for use. The recovery process helps ensure that nutrients don't end up in our waterways, but instead are used to create a fertilizer for beneficial reuse. The result is a highly pure, citrate-soluble fertilizer. Its naturally slow-release composition helps minimize nutrient loss.
Whatever we apply, we want to get in the plant. So instead of leaching out or being unutilized, so that money that you use to pay for it goes directly into the plant itself. I was focused on the mode of action and the release rate of it in a very inert substrate. So we use pine bark in containers, and that's very similar to sand. On the environmental side, we know that phosphorus is more present and at low concentrations, so we have less leaching and more available to the plant. Therefore, we have increased uptake efficiency by the crop. We're seeing 4 to 6 months, I believe, release time over it, and that would be about the right window for when you would want to apply that and have your phosphorus.
Phosphorus that is released slowly is going to be more beneficial to a plant because it's going to be more available for the plant, especially in sandy soils versus a fast release phosphorus. The economic benefit of that, especially for golf courses, especially nowadays where their budgets are getting cut left and right, they want to maximize any fertilizers that they put down. And if they put down a fast release fertilizer or fast release phosphorus, then and the plant does not utilize all of it right away, then the part that has moved past or becomes plant unavailable is a waste for them.
Crystal Green supports responsible nutrient management programs by increasing uptake efficiency and improving recovery time. Reducing environmental impact and application frequency, it's not only good for the environment, it's good for your budget too. Crystal Green, phosphorus when your turf needs it, peace of mind when it doesn't.